The Lord be with you. A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Matthew.
Glory to you, O Lord.
When Jesus saw the crowds, he went up the mountain. And after he had sat down, his disciple came to him. He began to teach them, saying, "Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are they who mourn, for they will be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they will inherit the land. Blessed are they who hunger and thirst for righteousness, for they will be satisfied. Blessed are the merciful, for they will be shown mercy. Blessed are the clean of heart, for they will see God. Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called children of God. Blessed are they who are persecuted for the sake of righteousness, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are you when they insult you and persecute you, and utter every kind of evil against you falsely because of me. Rejoice and be glad, for your reward will be great in heaven." The Gospel of the Lord.
Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Please all be seated. Praise be Jesus and Mary. Rejoice and be glad, for your reward will be great in heaven. Brothers and sisters, happy All Saints Day. Happy All Saints Day. Medyo mahaba. So anyway, palakpakan natin ang lahat ng mga nakasuot ng saints karong gabi kahapon. Anyway, parang gabi na rin din. Wala naman ng ilaw. No? Alam nyo, no? It is beautiful to see those who are really did their best to imitate the costume for the saints. No? Kaya nga, no? Makikita ninyo, there are two things that holiness and the saints gave us. Two. And what is? First of all, being holiness, it creates and gives us true beauty. Yung tinuod na kagandahan. I see, lalo-lalo na yung mga bata, no, na nakasuot ng saint. Nakita ko yung isa, ayan, si Amelia, si itong isa, yung nakasuot ng Poor Clares, no, na Chadagyud, no. Holiness makes us beautiful. No? Why? Because it envelops the image of God in us. No? Kaya nga napaka-importanting maging banal. No? Not only in the sight of men, but in the sight of God. No? And that is very important, to be beautiful in the sight of God. No? And you see, no? Kung ngayon, nakikita natin yung mga nakasuot ng saint, how beautiful they are, how much more a person in the state of grace in front of God. Diba? Gaano kaganda ng isang tao sa harapan ng Diyos. No? And that's what holiness do in our lives. It makes us beautiful in the sight of God. Di bali nang sabihin pangit ka dito sa mundo, no? Sabihin, no, nakamukha mo si Zoraida, Cynthia Patag, o sino pa to? Si Vice Ganda. Pero mas maganda, no, ay kamukha mo si Lord because of holiness. And that is what holiness makes us. It makes us in the image of God. No? It puts out the image that God has given us the moment we are born and the moment we are baptized. No? Kaya nga, no, nagiging gwapo at maganda yung mga nasa kabanalan. No? Those saint, no? Tanan ng mga santo, walang pangit. Sabihin nyo nga, walang pangit na santo. Yan, no? There is no ugly saint. All saints are beautiful. Why? Because they embedded and exteriorized, put out the image of God in their life. No? Kahit ngayon may mga saint na deformity, no? I forgot the name na isang Dominican, no? Na deformed siya, no? But he was a saint. In the sight of man, perhaps he's ugly. She is ugly. But in the sight of God, all saints are beautiful. No? And what is the second that holiness gives us? Happiness, true joy. No? Tinuod. No? Diba? Sino sa inyo dito nang nakita yung mga santo nalungkot? Hindi, diba? All of us, even me, no? Nung nakita ko yung mga brothers and sisters na talagang naghirap, no, na mag-costume ng saint, no, they are really happy. All of us are happy, no? The joy of being, to be one, to imitate at least the image, the face of the saint that we are. No? Kasi yun naman talaga. No? Sin makes us sad, but grace and holiness make us happy. No? Remember that. No? Walang sala na nagpapasaya. No? Pero no, ang isang taong nasa grasya ng Ginoo, ang isang taong naa sa kabanalan ay masaya kahit hindi nabigyan ni kapitan ng eleksyon. Diba? Aminin, no? So yung mga tumanggap diyan, no? Bahala. Pero kahit na hindi ka nakatanggap ng bigay ni kapitan, no? But if you have holiness in you, you are happy. No? And no one can take away your joy and contentment. Alam nyo, yung joy, yung kaligayahan na bigay ng holiness, it's always connected with contentment and peace. No? Hindi katulad ng ibinibigay ng mundo. No? It only gives us joy momentarily and then we are not contented. No? Naalala ko yung isang post ni kapatid na Joey De Leon. No? Sabi niya, being happy is not the same as being contented. Sabi niya, you can be happy, but you are not contented. But you can be contented and be happy at the same time. No? Kaya yung mga santo, no, they are happy and they are contented. Why? Because as our seraphic fathers, Saint Francis said, "My God and my all." No? My God and my all. And I believe, no? I believe, sabi nga nung isang doon sa sa Rome Reports, no, na walang santong nakasimangot. Tingnan mo nga yung katabi mo, lalo yung mga naka-costume. Nakasimangot ba yan? Nakasimangot ka na lang palagi. No. True holiness brings joy and happiness. Kaya nga, no, sabi ko nga, no, dun sa gumagawa kay Brother Romero, no, yung mga santo na ginagawa natin, no, yung mga statue, no, it should be a smiling statue, unless na Station of the Cross, of course, iba yun, no. Pero yung mga santo, mga statue ng mga santo, si Saint Francis, Saint Clare, Saint Maximilian, no, hindi naman sila serious, no? They are happy. They are smiling. Why? Because that is the fruit of holiness. If you want to be happy, be holy. If you want to be holy, be happy. How holiness brings us true happiness. Remember that sin will never make us happy. Kaya nga sa langit, in heaven, they are all happy. Angels, saints in heaven are all smiling. Wala sa kanilang nakasimangot, no? And I remember the prayer of Saint Teresa of Avila, no? Alam niyo kung ano sabi ni Saint Teresa of Avila sa kanyang prayer, no? Sabi niya, "Lord, from sour-faced saint, deliver us." No? Sabi niya, no? Lord, ilayo niyo po kami sa mga santong nakasimangot. No? Because that is not the sign of true holiness. Kaya nga, no? My brothers and sisters, no? If you want to be beautiful, if you want to be happy, be holy. No? That is the simple reflection that we will give to you this evening or this afternoon in our Mass. If you want to be beautiful, if you want to be joyful, be holy. And that is our vocation, brothers and sisters. Each of us, even myself, we are called to holiness. As what the Second Vatican Council said, no? Our universal call to holiness. Praise be Jesus and Mary.